Everybody loves pizza. They love cooking it on the Big Green Egg. They love pizza when they come off the Big Green Egg. It gets that good smoke flavor, almost like an outdoor oven. Pretty much what the Big Green Egg is. So today we're gonna cook bacon jalapeno popper pizza. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some jalapenos. We're gonna get them cut up. You want about a half a cup of jalapenos. Be careful with these. You don't want to rub your eyes after you've been cutting these because they are a little spicy. One of the biggest things with this is your cream cheese. You want to make sure your cream cheese is soft, and you want to make sure that it's easy to spread, because the dough, you know, even though it's got a good base to it, you go rubbing and pulling and stretching, you might get it out of shape. So what we have now, we've got red peppers, onions, bacon, jalapenos. So with that, the cream cheese, you just want to take it, see how easy that spreads? A real nice spread on there. And, you know, if you like cream cheese, well, don't be bashful with it, but make sure you get a nice even spread. And it's just an enjoyable process. The Big Green Egg, and it's all about the experience. It's just a fantastic way to cook. The food tastes good. You don't even have to be a good cook, because I'm not a very good cook, but boy, the food comes out good. So I'm really excited about this pizza, but you better be careful because it's got a lot of power to it. It's got banana peppers, it's got onions, red peppers, bacon, which we all love, and of course jalapenos, a little bit of shredded cheese. It's gonna be good. So now the exciting part. We got our pizza made, got all the ingredients on it. Of course, we got our Big Green Egg pizza peel, and all we do is just take the parchment and slide it off. My first ever homemade pizza on the Big Green Egg, and looks good. So roughly 20 minutes on the Big Green Egg. This pizza, oh my gosh, it looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. We will cut this bad boy and have a bite. So now that we finished the pizza, one thing that I love to do, it's just fun. Big Green Egg makes them the best pizza cutter on earth. Just come over here, push down on this beautiful cutting board, and right through it. Now that we finished the jalapeno poppin' pizza, we're gonna show you how to throw a Whopper Plopper. So when it comes to fishing a Whopper Plopper, one of the favorite ways that I love to throw it is fire it out there and reel it back. A lot of the times you might get some short strikes, so if you do, then you wanna pop it. So you throw it out there, and you just put a steady retrieve on it, just like that. And just get ready for that explosion, because it's awesome. Now, if you're getting explosions and they're not eating it, you throw it back out there, you let it sit and pop, 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 pop. The same way I would throw a lane changer or a Top Notch, the new topwater baits from River to Sea. The Whopper Ploppers, kind of what those baits were designed after, is a Whopper Plopper in that plastic impeller, you know, motion. So the Whopper Plopper works like that, but my favorite way, just keep on reeling.